Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of freezing on the application of Crunchyroll. You will go to settings. Here in this page you can go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Crunchyroll and you will enter. Here in this page of app info, we click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you.